Hey guys, MoneyMarrowTech, back in our tech review. Today we'll be going over the JBL Flip 7, and we're going to do a side-by-side comparison of the JBL Flip 6. Real quick in the box, you get your manual guide. For attachments, which you will see here later on in the video. And the JBL speaker itself. Real quick, we'll go over the spec. You're getting all brand new housing for the JBL Flip 7. You get a total combined of 35 watts speakers, new AI and sound boost technology, Bluetooth 5.4, Aquacast technology will allow you to pair up to multiple speakers, but not party boost. You up to 14 hours of battery life with additional 2 hours of Playtime boost feature. IP68 water dust resistant up to 1 meter of drop test. And the brand new push and lock mechanism will come with a D-ring and a regular strap to attach off and on your JBL Flip 7. All that coming at a price of $150. At first glance, nothing really changed dramatically, but you have noticed a couple differences. The button layouts are changed up a little bit. On the Flip 7, the power button is no longer on the back. It carries on to the front. The Flip 6 only have 3 bumpers on the side, where the Flip 7 have now gained additional bumper. So now you have a total of 4 on the Flip 7. Another cool feature that JBL introduced is a push lock mechanism, allowing you to switch out your straps on a go, whether it's your D-ring or regular strap, versus your old traditional rope string you used to carry around with you, making it easy and clutch on the go. When it comes to the design and the sound quality, JBL Flip 7 does not disappoint. Here's a small demo of the JBL Flip 7 versus JBL Flip 6. Leave a comment down below on which one sounds the best. When it comes down to the new application interface, you have up to 5 customizable EQ settings, allow you to customize your music to your liking. Top of that, this is where you will go as well to get additional 2 hours out of your JBL speaker for a total of 16 hours with a new feature called Party Time Boost, which will increase your battery life from 14 hours to a total of 16 hours of playtime. Now, let's be real for a second. The last time JBL came out with a Flip was 2021 August. That's almost 4 years ago when JBL released JBL Flip 6. So the question is the JBL 7 worth the upgrade? If you care about the battery life, the new AI sound boost, the more rugged IP68 dust resistant, the newer Bluetooth 5.4, the Aquacast system, which do not continue on with the power boost from the old series, then JBL Flip 7 might be a choice. However, you can catch a JBL 6 on sale and save a little bit more money and still get a great experience overall. Regardless, JBL have always been on top when it comes to speaker quality. From the Charge series to their mini clips, JBL speakers have always been on top when producing amazing quality for audio. And I think the JBL Flip 6 and Flip 7 will still sell regardless of the price points and magnitude of quality. But overall, JBL Flip 7 versus Flip 6 is worth the upgrade. Comment down below what you feel like, guys. I hope my review and point of view was able to help you guys. If you have any comments or concerns, please feel free to comment down below. Also, subscribe to my channel. I'm MoneyMarrowTech. See you guys next time. Peace.